Hello students, I am Shubhankar Rai. Today I am going to show how to construct root 2, root 3, root 5 these irrational number in a number line. Later on I will show you the rational number in a number line. Okay, so first, how to draw number line. Most of you, I know that you are drawing the number line by ruler because equal distance maintained there. But today I will show you how to draw a number line by using compass. And see, okay, so another thing, before starting the drawing you must take your instruments like geometry box, ruler, board, etc. and when you are going to draw the figure, must watch the video very slowly. Okay, so let's start. And one thing more, that is in root 2, root 3 there are no unit, so unit not mentioned here, so it's not necessary to take 1 centimeter or 1 inch like this. You can take any length as a 1 unit. Okay, so I'm starting here. First I will draw a big line. I am using here pen, but when you are going to draw you must use pencil. In this figure I will show you root 2 and root 3 in same figure. So see the video very minutely. Suppose I am taking this length, any length, this length as a 1 unit. So I am going to start. Can you see the lengths are equally, the lengths are here equal. Very good, already equal length I have. So basically you know that in number line 0 must be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2. Root 2 positive value, so definitely the figure will be the right side. First I am showing you how to draw the figure. So how to draw the figure? See, from 0 we are going to start. Now our task is to make here 1 unit. I am explaining why I am going to take this. Root 2. Root 2 means what? Root over 1 plus 1 equals to, you can write here 1 square plus 1 square, right? So the figure will be how much? So if you now root 2 whole square equals to 1 square plus 1 square, it means that your figure will be like this. If it is 1 unit and it is 1 unit, so by Pythagoras theorem you know that sum of square of two legs equals to the square of hypotenuse. So 1 square plus 1 square equals to root 2 whole square. 1 square plus 1 square equals to what? 2 na? 2 means what? You can write root 2 whole square like this. So 1 square plus 1 square equals to root 2 whole square. Definitely if it is 1, then the hypotenuse is root 2. It means that I have to draw here one right angle triangle whose length is 1 unit. Correct? So first I will draw here 0 to 1, already 1 unit. We can say this one how much length? 1. Correct? Now I am going to draw here one perpendicular. By protractor or by compass you can draw. I am doing this by protractor because time is very less. You are watching the video, and in this video I am going to show you lots of more figure. That's why I am using here protractor, but you can use your compass to draw the figure. So see, now already you have the length 0 to 1 unit, right now. So from here you can take the exact length. Yes, I have now. So from this point 1, cut the value here. So it is representing also 1 unit. Correct? Now if you join this 2 point, so this length is known as root 2. So this one is how much? Root 2. Now take the length from here to correct, and you know that your question is what? Your question is draw root 2 in number line. So you can write here A, B, C, D. So from the given figure you can write here AD equals to 1 unit, BC equals to 1 unit, AC equals to root 2 unit, and finally you can write AC equals to AB equals to root 2 unit. Done. Now I will show you from this figure how can I convert this one to root 3. If in your exam the question is draw root 3, draw root 3. So before root 3 you have to draw root 2 first, because without root 2 it's very difficult to draw root 3. So already root 2 we have, but I am explaining you why I need this root 2. See, if this rough figure required, then pause the video and go back and write it in your copy. Okay, now I am showing you why root 3 is required. 3 means what? 2 plus 1 na? Now I can write root 3 means root 3 whole square, 2 means root 2 whole square, plus 1 whole square. Can we write? So from this line I can easily say that one leg should be root 2, one leg should be 1, then the hypotenuse is root 3 by Pythagoras theorem. So already root 2 you have. So what to do? I need one perpendicular triangle here like this. So I am going to draw here. Considering AC is the baseline. Done. But I need what? 1 unit. So from number line you can take the 1 unit length. From number line I can take the 1 unit length. So place your compass needle here and cut it. And now what to do? It is 1 unit, you know. Now you give the name A, C, D, E. So you can write here now. Rub this one because you need what? You can write A, C equals to root 2, that already proved. EC equals to 1 unit. Therefore AE equals to root 3 unit. But the question was draw this root 3 in number line. So again you have to measure the length and cut it. Okay, so this point you have to give the name f. So a to f, how much? af equals to ae equals to root 3 unit. So from this figure we can conclude that it is your root 3. Now I am going to show you root 5. Root 5 is very easy. I can show you it here. See. First, like previous one, take a big line. Any problem? Now, like previous one, you need what? Like previous one, you need to draw the number line. So same way, I am taking 1 unit. So again, placing the compass needle here, second unit, next 3, next 4, next 5. So you can write this one -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, for root 5, which value we need? The value is actually 5 means what? 4 plus 1 na? So you can write root 5 as a like this, root 5 whole square equals to 2 square plus 1 square. So your figure will be like this. This one 2, this one 1, and this one root 5. So if you can draw 2 unit here and 1 unit here, so it's very easy. I am going to show you the figure. 2 units means what? Here to here 1 unit and here 1 unit, so 1 plus 1, 2. So I am going to draw a right angle triangle in this point. Previous figure I have shown you here by protector. In this figure I am showing you by compass. Now I need what? 1 unit here. So take the same measurement from number line. Okay. Place your compass needle here. So you can say here to here A, B, C. So AC is 1 unit. So I can join now OA. So what you can say? So you can write BC equals to 2 unit, AC equals to 1 unit, and OA equals to √5 unit. Okay, so I hope this video is sufficient to understand how to draw √5, √2, √3 in a number line. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will, if you subscribe and share the channel and or share the video, it's really helpful for the other students. So as much possible you can share the video with your friends, because lockdown situation is going and the teachers are unable to teach you. So from your home you can easily learn. So this OD is known as, actually this one is not properly visible. So write OD equals to √5 unit. So already √5 in your number line. So as much as possible you can share the video with your friends. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to draw some decimal number in a number line. Okay, √over of some decimal number in a number line. And I think this video, from this video you can solve second chapter, correct? And √2 and √3, you this two question, you will get these two question in example, correct?